Okay, so I just got done explaining the engage section of my online lesson, and now I'll be telling you about the explore. Okay. So, in this section, for the explore, basically what I want my students to like, I want them to take their knowledge that they got from uh, the previous videos, and then basically for each leader, I want them to, like a Frayer model, just list everything that they got from the video, and I feel like by them listing this, it helps them understand better and allows them to uh, grasp a deeper understanding. And overall, I find this Frayer model to be very helpful, and uh, I'm glad I was able to incorporate, or I'm glad I was able to use it in my online lesson. So yeah, I basically have this for like these two are for FDR and Adolf Hitler, getting to know the people, and then now they're gonna take what they learned from the videos and basically explain what they know about the key events, uh, what happened, what were the causes, what were the effects, why is this relevant today. These are all important questions that students need to understand, like when learning about history, and I think this is a really great way to display that knowledge. And yeah, and like I said earlier, this one's for Pearl Harbor. But yeah, I thought that engage section or the I thought that section was really helpful, and I found the Frere models to be very beneficial.